now SME Caravan began exploring the food and agri-product sector at Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh. Our first stop, an 11-year-old company called Anmol Bakers that's delighting its consumers with an array of biscuits.
We are manufacturing basically biscuits, and it is in the range of 20 varieties like sweets and salted, butterly flavor, cream flavor. We have just put a greenfield unit in Greater Noida. Nowadays, the growth is 15%, but our company is achieving around 20% growth.
Gobind Ram Chaudhary, a second-generation entrepreneur, is today taking his family business to newer heights with his dynamism and business skills. Catering to 10 states in North India through its strong network of 1,500 distributors and 1,100 workers, Anmol Bakers is always trying to please the taste buds of its patrons. Its mantras for success, consistent quality and constant innovation have today led it to a turnover of 300 crore rupees.
हमारी कोशिश रहती है कि हम प्रोडक्ट को जो बनाएं वो कुछ डिफरेंट हो, जैसे और मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं, ब्रिटानिया वगैरह हैं, डाइजेस्टिव बिस्किट उन्होंने बनाया, तो हमने उसको कंज्यूमर के लिए डिफरेंट टेस्ट के लिए अपना डाइजेस्टिव लॉन्च किया. उसमें हमने जो है वो स्पाइसेस या कॉन्डिमेंट्स यूज करे जो डिफरेंट टेस्ट दे सके कंज्यूमर के लिए.
Making its product range its unique selling point, Anmol Bakers offers products like Dreamlight, Lemon Maza, Veggie Munch and many others to the Indian consumer with a special focus on rural markets. And with its ever-increasing demand, expansion and diversification are now on the anvil.
पर डे हमारा 200 टन का प्रोडक्शन है. मंथली हमारा करीब 5,200 टन का प्रोडक्शन अभी हमारी इंस्टॉल्ड कैपेसिटी है. पांचों प्लांट लगने के बाद हमारी 6,000 के आसपास हमारी इंस्टॉल्ड कैपेसिटी हो जाएगी. मैं समझता हूं कि आने वाले समय में मार्केट में जो हमारी शॉर्ट सप्लाई हुआ करती थी वो नहीं होगी. हम मार्केट में जितनी डिमांड होगी उस हिसाब से उनको माल देते रहेंगे.
Regarding the diversification, we have a plan to put a rusk unit in Greater Noida because today we are feeling that rusk is going on very good. The growth rate in rusk business is 40%. And no branded company is in rusk biscuit except Britannia.
So how often do you add new products?
Generally, to remain in the industry, some innovation should be there. This year we have already introduced 3 to 4 products. Recently we have introduced one digestive biscuits, and that is a unique digestive biscuits with ajwain. As you know that ajwain is better for the digestion. Nobody in the industry has dared to put ajwain in the biscuits. After 6 months R&D, we have come to a conclusion that ajwain should be put in the digestive biscuits, and we have launched this product 1 month before. Very good response we are getting. Another 2-3 products are in the pipeline on health segments. That one is multigrain biscuits, and the third one we are planning for the diabetic, good for diabetic patient, and the fourth one is planning good for the heart patients.
What sort of government support do companies like yours get? Is there a need for some more support?
Biscuits, I think, is the common man food, but government is taxing our item in the shape of 14%. That is a very high. It is the highest rate of VAT is applicable on the biscuits. And another sector, government is taxing by way of central excise. We are making representation to the government that excise duty should be nil, and the VAT should be 5% of revenue.
So what sort of focus does the company have on research and development?
In research and development, first of all, we are looking for the new product, and the second one is our process improvement. What are the problems our production people are facing day by day? That should have to be stopped by through research and development. And third one is how to improve our quality control.
What's your biggest challenge today?
We have 2 major raw materials like wheat flour and sugar. That has been going up, I think, 50% within 4 to 5 months. Biggest challenge is the price of raw material is going up. Then we have to introduce new and new flavor, new and new variety, so that our margin will sustain. And another big challenge is competition. Before 4 to 5 years, big companies not catering to our market segment. That rural areas they are not catering. But nowadays they are catering very heavily on the rural area, and they are giving very tough competition to us.
But Anmol Bakers is geared up for every challenge that's thrown its way. With a passion to serve unlimited taste of the highest quality to its consumers, the company is tickling more and more taste buds, creating a name for itself in the biscuit industry. Okay, so that was Anmol Bakers with an impressive annual turnover of 300 crore rupees. Let's now go across to our SME Dr. Sanjeev Agarwal, Senior Managing Director at Helion Advisors, and hear what he has to say about Anmol Bakers. In fact, Sanjeev will be advising every company that we are featuring on the show today.
I think given that Anmol Bakers has a productivity challenge, one thing they should consider focusing on is to implement a program like Six Sigma, which is known to drive productivity upwards in manufacturing environments. And given the size of the company, I think they should invest a little bit more in brand building.